Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add camera frame on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you add the video that you want to edit, you just click on the effect at the bottom. And then in here, you just click on a video effect. And at the menu, you can swipe until you can see a frame. This one, click on it. And then in here you just swipe down until you can see camera frame. Camera frame, this one. You just click on it. And then in here you just click on a check icon. And now you can set the effect until the end of the video. And finish. So that how to add camera frame on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.